Today we're featuring Moringa oleifera, otherwise known as moringa. In Jamaica we call it merengue. Now this is a superfood, a tonic herb. It has 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 4 times the calcium of milk, 2 times the protein content of yogurt, 4 times the vitamin A content of carrots, and 4 times the potassium content of ripe bananas. This herb is rich in many nutrients and can nourish your body and heal you from diseases caused by deficiencies, and these are many. So how do you use this amazing herb? Today I am going to show you. Now my favorite way to use moringa is to dry the leaves in the shade, maybe on your veranda or on your patio, and once you've dried them, you put them in a blender and you blend it so you get moringa powder. Now this is a rich protein and vitamin rich powder which I add to my smoothies in the morning. So I scoop up this in my green smoothie and I have a superfood smoothie. Now you may want to use the leaves to make a tea, and a moringa tea is not only refreshing but nourishing and important for gastrointestinal disorders like gas and bloating and acid reflux and stomach ulcers. This will nourish every part of your intestinal tract. The leaves can be used raw. So the raw leaves can be eaten, they're edible. So this is a vegetable salad, yes, with your vegetables, and moringa leaves are edible. The young leaves you can literally eat with your carrots and have a beautiful nourishing salad. Let's turn our attention to the seeds. The seeds are held in these pods and they come out like this. The seeds can be used as a laxative. 3 or 4 seeds blended in water or in your favorite smoothie have a immediate laxative effect which can be used in chronic constipation or just as a detox. If you live in an area of the world that you don't have access to running water and you suspect the quality of your water, moringa seeds crushed and placed in your water can remove impurities and germs and make water wholesome for drinking. The bark and roots of the moringa tree are rich in various antimicrobials that can be used to treat intestinal worms. So the tea or tincture of the bark or roots is a very good worm medicine. The moringa flowers may be my favorite. They're white and beautiful. It's not blooming in this time of the year, but it can also be added to your salads or to your smoothies or teas to give you extra nourishment, as the leaves and flowers are rich in amino acids that help to build protein and make you stronger. Moringa is an amazing plant. Moringa can cure many diseases, especially deficiency diseases. Every corner of the world has benefited from this valuable plant. You should plant one in your home and use moringa every day to be healthier, stronger, and live longer. For more content like this, like this page, and guess what? Like the Dr. Orlando Thomas TikTok page, which is now live, and you'll be feasted with beautiful and amazing content that will enrich your life and your health.